session we will discuss the purpose of self variable. So self variable are used for two purposes, just like this keyword. In Java programming language, we are using this keyword. The same purpose we are using self variable in Python programming language. But self we are calling as a variable, not a keyword. But in Java programming language, this is called as a keyword. We are not calling as a variable. So self is a keyword of variable. Self we are calling as a variable in Python. Actually, self is not a fix. In place of self, you can use any name of the variable. So watch this program. Suppose here we are using another name ABC in place of self. So ABC act as a self automatic. So now run this application and check the output. Here we got the output. It means you can use self a other name, but Python recommended to use the self name. It is not a fix. Remember this point. It is not a fix. It is not a keyword. It is a variable. You can use any name of the variable. But whatever first parameter used in a Python method that act as a self. It means that variable is used to holding the address of current object. But Python recommended to use self name, not other name. You can use other name, you can use, but Python recommended to use self name. So now we discuss purpose of the self variable. Self variable are used for two purposes. One is it always points to the current class object, and second, it will use to differentiate formal parameter and instance member. It will use to differentiate between formal parameter and data member of the class. How we can differentiate formal parameter and data member of the class by using self variable. Now try to understand. Suppose here we define one class, employee class. In the employee class, here we define one constructor. This is a constructor we will discuss in later. And this constructor takes two parameters, ID and name. So this parameter is known as formal parameter. But if suppose here use id variable, this id acts as a formal parameter. But when you write self.id, self.id refer instance variable, not a local variable. So here we can differentiate this is an instance variable and this is a formal parameter. It means if any variable preceding by self dot variable name, it means that variable becomes instance variable of an object. So self variable are used for two purposes. One, it always point to the current class object, and second, whenever formal parameter and data member of a class are similar, Python virtual machine gets ambiguity, no clarity between formal parameter data member of the class. So to differentiate between formal parameter and data member of the class, the data member of the class must be preceded by self. Self dot data member of current class. So I hope you will understand. Thank you.